kids.
Hello, friends.
Wow, look at this. What shall we do now?
We're going to craft Giraffe. They are going to be so much fun.
Do you think you could help today?
Okay, let's do this. Let's go over there. Oops.
Hey, hello, kids. What's going on?
Do you think you could help today? This is Giraffe.
Wow, great job, friends.
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Hello, friends.
Hello, kids.
Whoa! Ooh, have a look here.
Amazing looks interesting.
We are going to learn colors.
Okay, let's do this. Red fish.
Orange
Fish.
Let's go for the next. Yellow color.
Green color.
Blue color.
Purple color.
Pink color.
Perfect.
Yippee!
Over here.
There are so many colorful fish.
Bye. Hello, kids.
Hello, friends.
Hey, hello, kids.
Wow, look at this.
There are so many colorful arrows.
Awesome.
Do you think you could help today?
Okay, let's do this. red color.
Perfect.
This is orange color. Wonderful.
This is yellow.
This is green color.
Blue color.
This is purple.
This is pink color.
Wow.
Great job, friends!
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Wow! Look at this place. Awesome! Hello, friends! Amazing looks interesting. Let's look at the color of these balls.
Hey, hello kids. What is this? What are we going to learn today?
We are going to learn colors.
Okay, let's do this.
Roll with me. Let's go over there. Here we go. This is red color. Perfect.
Let's do the next one. Let's go for the next. This is orange color. Yeah!
This is yellow color.
This is green color.
This is blue color.
This is purple color. Awesome!
Fantastic. See you guys
Next with new exciting things.
Amazing looks interesting. We are going to learn vegetables.
Well, that has a plan for today. Let's go over there. That is awesome! That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Did you see that?
Amazing looks interesting.
Okay, let's do this. So who is going first?
I will show you how. Let's go. Let's go over there. This is tomato. Perfect.
Here we go. This is bell pepper. Yahoo! Hey, let's go. Do you know what vegetable this is? That sounds good to me.
This is an eggplant.
Cucumber. Carrot.
Turnip.
Pumpkin.
Ridge ground. Potato. There are so many colorful vegetables.
Yummy! So tasty and healthy. That was wonderful. Thank you.
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Bye!
Hello, friends.
Whoa!
Ooh, have a look here. There are so many colorful things. Okay, let's do this.
This is red color. 1.
Orange, 2. Yellow, 3. Ouch! Who is that?
This is your friend, Giraffe.
Do you think you could help today?
Of course.
You could?
Let's do this. Cyan color, 4. Perfect. Green, 5.
Blue, 6.
Purple color, 7. An 8.
Pink color, 9.
10. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
This is Giraffe. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Whoa!
Ooh, have a look here. There There are so many colorful giraffes. Hello, friends.
How are you doing today?
Who wants to play?
Let's go! Over here.
They look so good.
Okay, let's do this. This is red color giraffe.
Orange giraffe.
Yellow giraffe.
Green giraffe. Blue giraffe.
Purple color giraffe.
Pink giraffe.
Cyan giraffe. I'm so proud of you. So I will see you next time.